Greetings everyone. Today we are going to discuss the problem from Codeforces around 873, problem C, counting orders. So the problem is like that we have given two arrays A and B, which consisting of n integers, and all the elements of A. Okay, the array A's element are all distinct. We have to find the number of ways to reorder A such that A of I is greater than B of I. Okay, the problem is like that. Like we have to find the number of ways to reorder A such that A of I, so that the every element of A is greater than the every element of B. So we have to find the number of ways to reorder A. Okay, let us take this test case. Okay, and let's paste this. And okay, now let us draw some conclusions here. Now, so for 4, what are the number of possible numbers or possible rearrangement of A's that can be placed adjacent to 4? So it is like 5, 8, 9. Okay, these are 5, 8, 9, and 6 also. And any other number? I don't think so. 5, 6, okay. For 1, whole array should be there. Okay, all 6 elements. And for 5, only 9 and 8. Only 9 and 8. And for 6, only 9. And for 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay, these elements should be there. And for 1, all the 6 elements. Okay, in such order. Okay, now from the concept of permutation and combination, like if I have n numbers, okay, number of ways to arrange those n number in m or in 3 slots. Okay, let's consider 4 slots. I have 4 slots and I have to arrange these n numbers in these 4 slots. So in the first slot I'm going to put n numbers. Okay, n number I can possibly put n numbers. In the next slot I can possibly put n minus 1 numbers, because 1 is already has been used. Okay, 1 number has been used here. So and then n minus 2. Okay, and then n minus 3. So similarly we are going to use the same principle of permutation and combination here also, but in a specific order. Okay, because you all must be thinking that why a specific order. The reason for a specific order is that for a larger number, okay, the range is restricted. Okay, and for a smaller number the range is not restricted. So if I start assigning numbers from the smaller number to the larger number, okay, like for let's take example of this test case. Okay, for this one, okay, I assign 9, and for this one I assign 8. So 9 and 8 are the two numbers that have been used, and only these two, only 6 was using only these two numbers. So we would not be able to put any numbers in for 6 in front of 6 such that a number is greater than 6. Okay, we would not be able to put it in such a way. So the problem is like that. Okay, that we have to start assigning number from greater number to the smaller number, because the greater number has to be fulfill the request first. Okay, so let us take these example. So I will sort these numbers, okay, accordingly. So we will sort array B. Okay, remember what I'm saying. The process is like we will sort array B. Okay, first we will sort array B. So array B is sort element like 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1 and 1. Okay, so numbers of elements that I can put in 6 is how much? 2. Okay, if I have used one number, okay, like if I have used 9, for example. Okay, if I have used 9, in the next element, how many number I can use? I can use the total number 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is also 2. Okay, and for the fourth one, how many number I have been used? I have used 2 numbers. Okay, and how many number I have? I have 4 numbers. 4 minus 2 is also 2. See, n minus 1, n minus 2, n here only 2 numbers I was able to put. Then n 3 from 3 numbers, only 2 number I am able to put, and from 4 number only 2 numbers I am able to put. And let's similarly for 3, for 3 numbers I have already put, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, so here also 2, and then we have 1. So there are 6 elements in total, because all the elements are greater than 1, all these elements are greater than 1. So all the 6 numbers are greater than 1, and 6 minus 4 is also 2. Okay, and then 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 32. So this is our answer. Okay, so let us try to go through the solution. So what we will do, we will sort the array B and array A also. Okay, I will tell you why array A, but just now remember we have to sort both the arrays, and then we will go from the higher number to lower number. Okay, from higher number 6 5 4 3 1 1 to lower number. Okay, and multiply. Okay, and multiply the numbers, calculated number respectively. And how we have to calculate these numbers, okay, these possibilities or these permutations, how I can calculate these permutations. So I can calculate this permutation by doing a binary search. So I would sort this array. Okay, I would sort this array 9 8. Oh, let me sort it in ascending order. 2, and then 2 4 6 2 4 5 6 8 and 9. Okay, so for 6 I have to find a number who is greater than 6. Okay, numbers which are greater than 6. So what I'll do, I'll do a binary search, and I will find the index 8 which is greater than 6, and then I would calculate the n minus j. Okay, let's suppose that j is this index, then I would subtract n minus j for this. Okay, and this n minus j is this permutation. Okay, then for 5 I'll again do binary search, and I would find this index and 3. Okay, this index is 0 1 2 3. Okay, and our n, the size is 1 0 1 2 3 6. So the size is 6, and so 6 minus 3 is 3. So we have 3 elements. Okay, and out of the 3 elements I've already selected one. Okay, so minus 1, and here it is, the second number 2. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll sort both the arrays again. Now let me show you the code. Okay, for this problem. The code for this problem is here. So what I've done is I've input vector 1 vector and vector 1, and sort both the vectors. Reverse the vector 1 because we have to iterate from the large number to smaller number, and we will initialize the answer equal to 1. So if answer equal I've created a variable, temporary variable x, and calculated the upper bound. Okay, for x, and separate it from v dot begin, such that we would get an index of the number just larger than x. Okay, and then I've done that if n number of element minus j the index, minus I the number of element, I've put it in the array. For the 0th element I've not put it any element in the array, and for the first element I've already included a element in the array, so I would subtract 1. Okay, so it works in that way. And if it is less than 0, okay, so this means that I cannot rearrange the array in such a way that there is always a number. Okay, for such cases the answer is always 0, and the answer is equals to answer into n minus j minus I, and we have to do the mod respectively. Thank you.